Strange or what? You spend so much time every year in traffic jams and moan about it because you're not getting anything from life. But that doesn't help at all. You don't want to get to the office all sweaty. That's for sure. You have no time for exercise because you waste your life in your car. Hey, your life is outside, not in your car. You just have to reach out and get it. Leave your car in the garage because your bike can be electric. With bimoz. If more people had more fun on bikes, then things would be better on the roads. For our environment, and for you too. And if more people switch to bikes, the better off we will be. Bimoz has the power that you don't have in the mornings. Your gateway drug. Your strong ally on the slopes and against headwinds. Your trainer if you want to ride up mountains when on the flats. It listens to your heart when you're training. You and your bike become one. It shows your friends where you went, and if you want, you can do something good for others by describing your routes and sharing them with your friends. Bimoz is not heavy, not complicated, or expensive. How can this all work? Well, because the bimoz is a smart direct drive. The most incredible stuff can be done with a little intelligence. And it fits almost any bike. In a few minutes, it's ready. Child's play. Remove crank. Put on the battery pack. Put on bimoz. Put on the switch. Ready. Any other questions? It goes where the power on the bike needs to be. Not on the rear or on the front wheel, but in the middle, where it should be. No transmission, no gears, no gadgets, all junk. You do not need any machine noises to get up a mountain. And it works. Bimoz turns you into a superhero because bimoz gives you the feeling that the power comes from your legs, somehow, between a tailwind and a slight downhill on the mountain. But only if that is what you want. Without the drive, your bike is your bike. You can ride it like your bike, and on the whole, it looks just like your bike. You can remove the battery, you can charge it at home. Now it's your turn. There are a million things you'd rather do than sit in a traffic jam. Discover routes that you don't know. Put your life in motion. Do something with yourself. Almost every bike can be electric. With bimoz, even yours. Hey, but I only want you to have more fun in life and to make the world a little better. With bimoz. It would be really great if you could support the bimoz idea and share our videos. Surely you know someone for whom bimoz is perfect.